Hello everybody. I just wanted to say I appreciate the support so much. I appreciate everything that that you've given me, all the positivity and everything. I appreciate it quite a lot. It means so much to me that you guys and girls are just there, you get me. It means so much. So from the bottom of my footnail, I mean it a lot. So yeah, I do appreciate that quite a lot. But apart from that, we're gonna get straight into it. See you there, my Martians. Oh yeah, everybody. Before I start this, I just wanted to say I'm giving this adapter away. So please, from the bottom of the Earth's core, I mean it. Yeah. Okay. Let's get this started. Is there any more? No, I think that's it. Another one. Every day I face these, so people say it sounds like it's an act or anything. It's real. I face these every day. It's either dust or pollen or the pepper. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Anyways, see you later.